Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the bootstrap-vue and how it can work with embedded. Embedded is the way you want to embed videos. It could be from YouTube and it could be from a local MP4 video, and then we want to speak about a little about the aspect in this. This video will be pretty short and I really hope you stay all the way. And before we start coding, I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can click on the link below in the right corner, and all the code will be found on GitHub in the description below. So that's the information you need, and let's starting to code some embedded code. So let's starting to embed the first one. It should be the YouTube, and I'm just taking one of my own videos, so it's just for fun. I copy the link inside here, and we will allow full screen, and then we're going to say type. We want to say iframe, and aspect would be by 90. So let's going back for the editor here and see how this working. And it's refused, and something it's not correct. It's because I'm missing the embed code. So you cannot just copy the code. You need to use it like YouTube embedded, and then it's working. Let's going back, and you can see now it's working. You can go up here and subscribe. Woohoo! And yeah, you can see I have over 1,000 subscribers. So I don't create these videos for money, because I basically earn nothing. I do it because I love it, and that's how it should be to be a developer. Don't develop for money. Do it because it's a passion. Then going back for the editor again, and I will just show you another way to embed it. This is the YouTube embed, and then I want to say embed here, and going down, and type should be a video, and the video should be aspect. Let's just try it by old-fashioned TV 4:3. That's meaning 4. Whoops. This is the format here. Code, and I do it here. And let's look a little bit more nice. And then we say controls. That's fine, and we need a poster. A poster, it's the thumbnail we want. So I will just use my favorite site. It's a kitty plays kitten.com, and then 925.1080. And then we are coming for the next part. If we are working with the local videos, like if you want some business videos, you can just say source here, and then just say source, and you can say dev stories start webm, and the type could be video webm, and you can copy that and say mp4, and then mp4. I know the source file doesn't exist, but it's just a sample how you can work with that. So let's going back, and you can see we have a very nice player here, and we cannot play it because it can't find the video. And we have an aspect 4.3, and you can see it up here. If we mark it, you can see you have something here, and that's fine. It's no problem here, but this one is 69. The other aspect we want to speak about, I will just place it up here so you can see what aspect we have. Aspect, and then we have the code. I will say 24:9, 21, yes, and then we have it for 60 by 9, and then we have, whoops, the 2 here, you know that, and 4:3, 4 by 3, and the last one should be 1 by 1, 1 to 1. That's the original size of the video. 1 by 1. And then you can see, if you're scrolling up here, you have all the aspects here are listed, so you can have it. So when you found this documentation on my GitHub, then you are not confusing about what it is. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you'll stay with me in the next video about bootstrap-vue, and I hope you like this video and you want to subscribe it by click on the thing below in the right corner. And if you have any questions, please make the comments below. I will love to answer you. And thank you so much for having you here. And remember that GitHub is in the description. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.